A United States Navy nuclear engineer and his spouse have been arrested on espionage charges after allegedly attempting to sell confidential information, the US Department of Justice said. According to court records unsealed on Sunday, October 10th, Jonathan Toby and his wife, Diana Toby, were arrested and charged with violating the Atomic Energy Act after attempting to sell the design of nuclear-powered warships to a person they believed was a representative of a foreign power. The department said Toby, who held a security clearance, unwittingly communicated with FBI agents and passed along sensitive military secrets in a scheme that stretched nearly a year. In December 2020, an FBI official received a package from someone attempting to establish a covert relationship with a representative from a foreign country identified as Country 1 in court documents. Toby had listed a return address in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, containing a sample of restricted data and instructions for establishing a covert relationship to obtain additional information. He began corresponding via encrypted email with an individual whom he believed to be a representative of the foreign government, who was instead an undercover FBI agent, and continued a correspondence for several months before reaching an exchange agreement for thousands of dollars in cryptocurrency. The undercover agent sent $10,000 in cryptocurrency to Toby as good faith payment before he agreed to travel to a location in West Virginia to complete the transaction. With his wife acting as a lookout, he concealed an SD card within a peanut butter sandwich at a pre-arranged dead drop location. The undercover agent sent Jonathan Toby a $20,000 cryptocurrency payment and received in turn a decryption key for the SD card, which contained restricted data on US submarine nuclear reactors. The FBI arrested Toby and his wife on Saturday, October 9th, after two more dead drops. Attorney General Merrick B. Garland welcomed the arrest and said, "The work of the FBI, Department of Justice prosecutors, the Naval Criminal Investigation Service, and the Department of Energy was critical in thwarting the plot charged in the complaint and taking this first step in bringing the perpetrators to justice." Toby was an employee of the Naval Nuclear Propulsion Program, also known as naval reactors, and had access to information related to military-sensitive design elements, operating parameters, and performance characteristics of the reactors for nuclear-powered warships. The couple were charged with conspiracy to communicate restricted data and are scheduled to make an appearance in federal court in Martinsburg, West Virginia on Tuesday, October 12.